Assalamualaikum everyone, how have you been up to my dear all of friends? So right now I'm standing here in my college. So as you can see, my next to my white side is called Robot Scout, right? Robot Scout is a Robot Scout den, and which is located Vrindavan, which is located Hobbyganj district, and which is name is Vrindavan God College. So it's a totally amazing day for me because actually I'm here for another work, but before coming here I'm thought that I have taken decision that I have to visit, I have to wander in this place because I had lots of memories in this college for this reason, and I have completed my HSC exam from here. So for this reason I have come, and as you can see, actually it's a Boy Scout den. And previous time I'm also when I was when I was a student of primary high school, at the very moment I was also one member of Scout. But before when I joined my when I completed my SSC exam, and afterwards I wasn't any interest for join this type of group or scout group or anything because I live in Madhupur. So for this reason it's totally tough for me for come my home to here. So I need maximum over more than 1 hour. So for this reason it's not possible to come day by day. For this reason I didn't take this opportunity, but yeah, it's really good for anyone, for any student, because it's a Robot Scout den, and as well as here also BNCC. Do you know about BNCC? It's any kinds of another group. So if anyone want to go, like if anyone want to army or something, they want to go another place, they want to go another need job, good job, army or something like that, they want to go from here because it's a big opportunity for them. And also over there, as you can see over there is a place, it's a dirty place because, and also it's a whisking. I'm saying that I'm looking that there are lots of whisking leaf are available, and also it's another place. Okay, no need to show this place. And as you can see also here one what can I say, it's called right. Tube well, what's the meaning of tube well? Do you know? Okay, it's ancient, it's an old table, is ancient table. And also on my behind side also one there are trees available, but I don't know what is the meaning, what is the name of this trees. So no problem. And over there are so many guys, they are working, and they wanna just take water. They are working by their curriculum or something like that. So that's it. And right now I have to complete my videos, so no need to watch this video. So that's all about. I don't want to make it longer. Assalamu alaikum.